Buying Kaspa in these levels is like buying Bitcoin under $1. We're going to look at this major catalyst for Kaspa, which could drive the price of Kaspa even higher. And yes, I'm extremely bullish on Kaspa within this next bull market, because ultimately I've been telling you to buy Kaspa about 10 months ago, where the price movement of Kaspa was exactly within this yellow box. Yes, I bought exactly the top after a new all-time high, but I also explained you exactly why. So if you want to watch this video, I will pin it exactly here. But most importantly, I'm going to show you why buying here is going to make you extremely profitable, because we could expect a major catalyst. And the first time I looked at the price movement of Kaspa, I thought I've seen this price movement before, and Kaspa is actually Bitcoin on steroids, because it shares the same fundamental values, being proof of work, also relying on a halvening, and also having a consensus mechanism. And we can see that all these attributes, yes, the price movement of Kaspa on the weekly chart is extremely similar to the price movement of Bitcoin on the monthly chart. Because yes, here we can see the price movement of Bitcoin from the year 2010 all the way to the current price movement. And yes, this price movement looks extremely similar to Kaspa on the weekly chart. But guys, let me tell you something. Kaspa has only been around from the 30th of May 2022 all the way to the current price movement. So yes, all this price movement on the weekly chart is just this short period of time within the bear market. So Kaspa was launched within the bear market, making some major profits. Yes, if we're going to look at the price movement all the way from the bottom, where Kaspa was launched, all the way to the swing high, this was some major profits of 111,000%. Yes, you heard me right, 111,000%, all the way from the inception all the way to the all-time high. But guys, let me tell you something. We could expect a major pump towards the upside starting exactly within this week, because we can see a major catalyst. And what is this major catalyst, and why you should be buying Kaspa exactly now? Because remember, this major price movement was all just in Bitcoin's bear market starting on the 30th of May. So yes, we could expect a major move within this bull market, and I'm extremely bullish on Kaspa, because Kaspa is launching the KRC20 mainnet on the 15th of September. We are also seeing a growing community of developers building amazing applications on Kasplex. You can now complete KRC20 transactions through various wallets. Integrating KRC20 into your own application has become easier. So yes, this means that you can mint or even launch your NFT on Kasplex, like for instance on the ERC20 network, and this is going to be a major catalyst. And remember, Kaspa has all these fundamental values as Bitcoin, just being more scalable, faster, and with lower transaction fees, but with a lot of features that Bitcoin also has, being open source, decentralized, and relying on a consensus mechanism. And yes, you can see this major confluence with the price movement of Bitcoin on the monthly chart and Kaspa on the weekly chart. So yes, I'm extremely bullish on Kaspa, and if we go over to the charts, we could expect a major pump towards the upside, because if you would have bought exactly here where I made this first video about Kaspa, you would have been up 200%, and to the current price movement, you still would have been up 142%. And yes, we can see that Kaspa has an all-time high after each other, so I wouldn't be scared to buy Kaspa exactly here, because first of all, we are still underneath the 13 moving average on the weekly chart, which is an indication that we're still in a bearish trend. As soon as we're going to break this level, yes, maybe within this next week with this major catalyst with the KRC20 launch, we could expect this major pump towards the upside. And if Kaspa already did in the previous 2 years over 100,000%, so which price targets we could reach during this bull market, guys, I could easily see that Kaspa is going to come all the way up to a psychological level of the $1 level. This would be a pump from the current price movement all the way to the $1 level of 535%. But yes, we could also see this crazy move, maybe even all the way up to the $10 level. This wouldn't surprise me, and this would be a major pump of 6,000%. Yes guys, one of the major factors why I'm extremely bullish on Kaspa is because a lot of Bitcoin OGs and a lot of Bitcoin holders are supporting Kaspa because it has the same structure as Bitcoin. But guys, Kaspa also has a strong community, which is also extremely important when it comes to any kind of projects, and all the Kaspa holders, they are hodling because they know that Bitcoin and also Kaspa is going to succeed, and they're not going to sell on any kind of dumps. And this is exactly what we can see on the price movement of Kaspa, and that's why I bought Kaspa exactly here after it formed a new all-time high, because I knew that the Kaspa holders, they're not going to dump all of their Kaspa because they know what they're holding and what the future brings for Bitcoin and also Kaspa, and that's why I'm supporting Kaspa. And if you're not buying Kaspa here, guys, you're going to miss out on some major gains. And if you want to buy Kaspa on the spot market, go down in the video description below and sign up to BloFin, where you can buy Kaspa on the spot market and you don't need any KYC. And if you always want to stay up to date what is happening in the crypto market, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'm keeping you up to date for the previous 2 years, and you would have had this great entry on Solana under $20 and also Kaspa before this major breakout towards the upside, and this is going to be the last call, this major confluence with Bitcoin, and I do believe that Kaspa is going to see a major push towards the upside. So this is going to be your last chance to buy Kaspa underneath the 13 moving average. And we also opened a long trade in my signal group, and we're already up 58%. So guys, if you want to copy all of my trades, make sure to join my free Telegram group, where I always keep you up to date what is happening in the crypto market, and you can also find the results of the signal group and how to join the signal group. But yes, I'm extremely bullish on Kaspa, and I'm going to load up even more exactly in these price levels just before this major catalyst event. But guys, the most important thing is you need to be for crypto, and now's the time to enter the crypto market before this major parabolic breakout. So guys, make sure to watch my videos, smash up the like button and subscribe, but most importantly, be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.